change since you came in. I knew back then that you were that special one. I'm so in love, so deep in love. Guys, guess what I have today? Actually, let me start this off right, okay? First of all, I like to say, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Bernice, and sometimes I make YouTube videos. And today, I have the video that I've been waiting to make. My iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing video. I am so excited for this phone. I'm so excited about this phone. I'm just really excited. So we're gonna unbox it. I did set up the lock screen and just try to get myself up and running, but y'all, okay, all right, let me stop. So I got the 64GB one in silver, obviously, as you guys can tell, and I'm really excited. So let's take a look. Moment of truth. Well, first, let's talk about the fact that the box this time is black, okay? We're used to getting white boxes with our iPhones, but this time they say, oh no, baby. Black it out. Ice it out. Black it out. Okay? And then inside, the glorious iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it in all its glory. Oh, okay. So this is how it looks. Okay, so a lot of people were freaking out because of the 3 camera thing, but honestly, I promise you, when you have this phone, you don't even like notice it. Like, you don't, it doesn't bother you. Like, you just get past it. I personally, I don't get stressed out or anything, or have like a phobia of like holes or stuff like that. I know there is such thing as a phobia for it, but I don't have it. But even those who do have it, they don't, it really doesn't, it's flatter than you think, trust me. So if you were debating on whether or not to get it because of the cameras, I promise you will get it. The camera is not going to bother you. The camera is so exceptional, you'll forget there's 3 of them. It's so exceptional. So I got the silver one. It looks white, like in person as well. It looks like pearly, which is what I love about it, and which is why I wanted it. Originally, I wanted the green one, but when I was trying to get my phone at the time, they were all sold out of the green one and the 64GB that I wanted. So I just like convinced myself to like get another color. And when I saw the silver one in store, when I went to the Apple store, I was like, no, forget the green. I need this one. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. And another thing that I noticed is that on the back, I don't know if you guys can see it. My ring lights might make it too bright. But on the back, the Apple logo is like way down here instead of it typically being like up. So that's another difference I've had. And then, so I'm going to turn it on. So I have a Christmas themed background, wallpaper thing. So some of the things, I'm going for my iPhone 8 Plus, so this is a huge jump for me. So it's totally and completely different from the iPhone 8 Plus. I'm probably going to do a video comparing the two, but what I would say is my biggest concern when I was getting this phone was whether or not I'd be able to really live with and adapt without the home button. And honestly, guys, we don't need it. Like, that was my biggest fear, and I ended up realizing like not having a home screen is literally the best thing. Not a home screen, not having a home button is literally the best thing ever, because I don't know. I don't know why I was so scared of it. I was like, oh my gosh, because I have 2 phones. I have my 8 Plus still, and then I have this. So sometimes I'll forget which phone is in my hand, and I'll try to activate it the way that I would normally do with like the other one, and I'm like, girl, wrong phone. Wrong phone. But no, I love it. So the way that you, if my lights weren't so bright, so the way that you, let me see, hold on y'all, I'm gonna dim the lights. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna see, I tried to like dim my lights and it wasn't working. I tried to turn it off and it looked too dark, but I'm gonna see if I can like help you guys see it. thing. Clearly this isn't working. But the home screen, the way it looks, is completely different than... Oh. Let me see. Maybe if I reduce my brightness. There we go. Oh yeah, you guys can definitely see it way better now. So the way that it's set up, you go from the top to bring down your, what would normally be your control panel. You go to the top and press here, and then it has like all your controls panel settings, LTE, Wi-Fi, all of it, like what you would typically have when you swipe from the bottom up on a 8 Plus, 7 Plus, whatever, before the 10X. What would normally be there, you would do it from the top in the corner. And then on this phone, my biggest problem with this phone is it not having the thumbprint and Face ID, y'all. Face ID wants to act like I'm not me. Like, this phone doesn't belong to me. Like, that's really what it wants. Apple feels like I'm breaking into my own phone, and it's like, nope. You change your wig? Don't know you. You got makeup on? Don't know you. Your eyebrows done? Don't know you. Like, it's me. It's me. I paid you. I paid you for this phone. Apple. Y'all, I've been a long-standing member in this community. You should know me. Why don't you know me? Unlock my phone. But yes, I've had to reset my Face ID 3 or 4 times now, and it's really, really, really frustrating, especially when you need it in like a very serious moment and you can't unlock your phone. And I'm just like, okay. So that's the only thing that I would say I don't like about this phone, is the fact that instead of giving you the option of either or just giving you the thumbprint, it doesn't give you that. It only gives you Face ID. But once you unlock it with Face ID, just as I was talking about it, guess what decides not to work? Face ID. Y'all, it really doesn't want to work for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I've gotten to my home screen, and the way that I do my apps, I like categorize them. Like, all of the stuff for my banking, I put under like a finances tab. All the stuff for like photos and videos under a tab, social media under a tab, entertainment under a tab. So like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, all of it, like, it's under a tab. So I like to section it off that way. That way I know where to go. The camera quality on this phone, y'all, is gut-wrenchingly beautiful. Like, I just y'all follow me on Instagram at osnapsisbernice, or my other Instagram, which is Bernice with 2 E's Johnson. And y'all about to get some really, really, really fire pictures with this phone. Just you wait, especially because I have a remote control camera thing now, so it's gonna be on and popping. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I really love this phone. Oh, I need to tell you what's in the box. We didn't even complete the box opening. In this, you know, Apple likes to waste paper and give us useless things that we'll never, ever, ever, ever pay attention to or ever use. So we're just gonna toss this to the side. It comes with these stickers. Honestly, I never understood the point of these, because what am I supposed to do? Where am I supposed to put this? Like, my MacBook? Like, I won't. My MacBook has a case anyway, so no. So that's a W. That's a W. That's a L, sorry. And then inside the box, I was tricked into believing that this phone was coming with AirPods. Apple, y'all know y'all could have given us AirPods. Why? I mean, this phone is already like $1,200, $1,100, whatever the case may be. You could have given us AirPods. That's so rude. That is so unnecessarily rude. And I know the next iPhone they come up with, they're gonna give AirPods, and I'm just irritated. But you know, it's whatever. It's another, like, I have an extra one, so now I have like 3 or 4 Apple headphones. So I'm not really gonna complain too much. Not too much. Still think they should have given us AirPods because we're worth it, but you know, that's cool too. The thing that, besides the phone, the other thing I'm most excited about is this fast charger cube. Y'all, this cube, y'all. I charged the phone. It was on 10% battery. And I kid you not, in like 8 minutes, I went from 10% battery to 34% battery. This cube is the truth. This cube right here, baby, this cube, this, Onya, oh God, this cube. It moves as fast as light to charge a phone. Just lights, just this right here. I would keep buying it. It's probably gonna be like $100 just for this cube alone if you lose it. So don't lose it, oh, do not lose it. Hey, but this cube is the truth. Oh, I'm gonna also show you guys the wire. Okay, so the USB port that it comes with is so different from the other ones. Okay, so this is the regular, how you would charge it. So that part didn't change. But then you have this part, and it's like a USB part, like an actual USB porty thing. And you just put it in. You see how like this one is like smaller. It's a smaller slit. Yeah, you just put it in here like that, plug it into the wall socket, and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, I really love the phone. It's so easy to customize, so easy to set up everything. I mean, if you had Apple for a long time, you'll be perfectly fine. Even if you're new to Apple, uploading and setting up your Apple information and like your phone in general is super easy. And yeah, do I think you should get it? Going from an 8 Plus to the Pro Max, such a huge difference. I absolutely love it, and you definitely get accustomed to it. Do not let the fear of not having a home button get to you. I promise you, you will be fine. You'll get so adapted to it by the end of the day, of the first day of me getting the phone, I was like, yeah, I'm good. Like, I'm so used to it now. So don't let that stop you. Get it. And yeah, I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun to watch. I hope that you guys go out and get it. If you guys do get it, welcome to Team Pro. So if you do get the phone, comment down below. Let me know which color you got it in and how much do you like the phone. Do you like the phone? And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.